Hey guys, it's Justine from JustPlans. Welcome back to another video. This is the first time I'm using a Hello Petite Paper kit. This is the But First Coffee mini kit and it is so pretty and perfect for fall. I also made, since this is a mini kit, I made my little sheet of functional stickers and yeah, let's get into it. So starting with the bottom washi, I of course had to pull in my own washi because the kit didn't come with any. So I'm pulling in just this Simply Gilded classic pink with silver bows. And then this washi, I really struggled with trying to find a washi that would pair well with this kit. So this one I think it was just from a Recollections roll that I got at Michael's, but it's got like some navy blues and the leaves kind of look like they're fall leaves. So I think uh, it went decently well with this kit. There are of course like pine cones and leaf elements in the kit as well as like a dark navy color in the full boxes. So I think this was like the best choice that I had in my collection as far as like matching washi goes. And I used this Rose Colored Days date dot tape overlay that I just hauled in my last video. I did get the 7.5 millimeter size in the black color. I love the size. I think it's perfect for this size planner. And then I got the black color so that I can use it with every single spread. Yeah, the tape comes in like gold, every foil color, but I just thought it would be way too wasteful to like get every single foil color and then have to like save the dates and the date numbers and all that when they're not being used. So, okay, so just my typical sidebar. I pulled in a October script from Sticky Sloth Designs. That habit tracker is, I think, from like a leftover Paper Muse Crafts kit. And then, oh, and the bow headers are from Chic Blossom Prints. This week, instead of yoga and meditation, I am tracking my collagen supplement, and that's just because I did a shitty job sticking with my yoga and meditation regimen. I have been really, 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 really bad at that lately, so yeah. So I decided to track collagen because I did a better job at doing that this week than my typical habit that I track. So, okay. And then for the headers on top of the full boxes, I'm using these two different dividers from Sadie's Stickers. One is just like a simple line, and then the other one, I paired it with a simple line with a bow in the middle, and I think that looks really cool. I did decide to pair this kit with silver foil because I thought it would be a fun contrast. And yeah, I think typically this kit would probably go better with rose gold foil, but I hadn't honestly, like, I chose silver mostly because I just wanted to. Like, I haven't used silver in like a while, so I wanted to finally use it. So that's why I chose silver. Anyway, this was actually a pretty good week. This is the week of my boyfriend's birthday, and I actually decided to take 2 days off from work. So I took Thursday and Friday of this work week off, and these were like my first 2 days off since starting my new job. So that was cool. That was like, nice to just get a little break. And I also, I mean, never mind. You'll just hear it in the weekend. But yeah, I guess it's a good time while we're waiting to get into Monday is if you do like what you see in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. That really does help me a lot. And yeah, be really cool to have you here. And yeah, sorry. I don't know what else to say. I'm a little too awkward here. Okay, so moving into Monday, I I was so actually at the start of this week, I did want to get myself back on track with yoga and meditation. Obviously, as I mentioned in the intro, that didn't work, but I did start off strong with Monday. So I used a quarter box just for my leftovers and a candle from Planning World. I love that candle. I love her icons just to mark yoga and meditation. Then below that, I cut down a checklist to 3 hearts to mark a meeting at work. And then I also pulled in a mini Rose and Tea Shop laptop icon, which is so gorgeous. Here, I did finish the book that I was reading. Actually, it was an audio book that I was listening to, but just chose to use these really, 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 really gorgeous book icons from Rose and Tea Shop. They are so pretty. I love that bookend. It's so fancy. I don't have anything like that, but I want one. But yeah, at the end of the night, I did mark that I had insomnia. I could not sleep, so I pulled in a character from Once More with Love. I am trying to, like, when I can, pull in my character stickers because I do have a good amount. And then I think I put down a swirly from Ruby J Designs. Okay, so now on to Tuesday. I just pulled in an arrow that I made, an arrow sticker that I made, and then another Rose and Tea Shop icon, a laptop icon that is from the smoky mauve colorway to mark that I had 2 meetings this day. And then here, I really struggled with how I wanted to mark this. So I did edit and upload a haul this day, and I definitely wanted to use this silver foil doily from Ruby J Designs because it is so absolutely stunning and gorgeous. And then that happy mail sticker is from the kit, and then the Giving Girl bow. That uh that whole like combination, oh, that's when I'm gonna put the swoosh. Okay, that whole combination of stickers that I use to mark editing and uploading the haul like changes 3 times literally. Like if you go to my Instagram, the post that I put is shows a different configuration than what's on the screen now, and then at the maybe in like a minute or two in the video I change it again. So my bad. Okay, this is the day also that I found out that I was on Lilac Luna Plans' PR team. Trina is really great, and so actually that sticker, I literally just took that and like cut her logo out from the top of one of her sticker sheets that I had and put it on there, and I think that looks pretty good. And then I just used a Rose Colored Days bow to like pair with it. Below that, we did take an evening walk. So I used this like foily confetti foil hexagon from Pretty Pink Co. and then like a sneaker sticker that I made for myself. On Wednesday, most of my day at work was spent watching or like attending a virtual research symposium at work. So I just used some stickers from the kit to mark that. And then I also hit 350 subs on YouTube, which is really, really cool. So I marked that with a YouTube play button from Sticky Sloth Designs. Here, sorry, I'm going to let you watch me struggle with changing this. You'll see that, yeah, anyway, you'll see how I changed everything. And then below the 350 subs, I put another doily from Ruby J Designs, and then I used oh my god. Okay, well, you know what? We're just on to Thursday. Okay, so as I mentioned, I did take Thursday and Friday off, so I wanted to mark that just once. So I use this day off script. This is from Lilac Luna Plants, and I love her hand lettering. Honestly, her hand lettering is probably my favorite out of any that I've seen. So I used her day off script and then this like heart divider from Ruby J Designs to just show that it's like expanding into Friday as well. Then below that, all we did that day was we went to Archie's training session. We usually have one every Thursday. And then we also went to McDonald's. I had seen like a whole bunch of people getting this Chips Ahoy McFlurry, like Planet Hannah. And so I had to get it. I had to get it. So after training, there's like a McDonald's right next to it. So we went to McDonald's to pick that up. And I used some stickers from the kit and a Giving Girl bow. At the end of Thursday, we did order in some Indian food and watched Heart of Dixie. That's kind of like what I've been watching lately. And then I also started reading Small Great Things from Jodi Picoult. So I used a book sticker from Rose and Tea Shop, and then what I used to mark Heart of Dixie was this couch sticker from Planning World. Okay, I'm now caught up. Okay, so Friday was my boyfriend's birthday, so I just pulled in this like box sticker that I made for myself, a vine divider sticker from Ruby J Designs, and then that cake sticker is also from Ruby J Designs. It's just from one of her PR girls' freebies. I did, so my boyfriend on his birthday, he slept in like really, really late this day, which is what he wanted to do. So, whatever. So I had the whole morning to myself. So I filmed, edited, and uploaded another haul. Like I uploaded 2 hauls in the same week, and it was a little sort of ironic because I'm trying to tell myself that I need to calm down on my sticker spending, and like I'm trying to only buy what I need, and for me to film like 2 hauls or film and upload 2 hauls in the same week is kind of contradicts those thoughts, but hey, that's life. Okay, and then at the end of the night we did go to my boyfriend's parents' house to have some dinner with them to celebrate his birthday, so I just marked that with a pentagon sticker that I made and a Crafts by Towie utensil sticker. So Saturday was actually really fun. I did start the day with yoga and meditation, so you'll see that I did do this twice this week, but that's a far cry from my goal to do that every day. But hey, again, that's life. So this day we went to go see our friend Laura. She moved to California a year and a half ago, and she was here visiting home for like the week or so. So she had a socially distant party in her parents' backyard so that we could all like hang out with her and she could see like different friend groups while she's back in town. So yeah, that was really, really fun. We were able to hang out with we have like this group of friends that we call Flickers. We're like part of. The name of our group is Flickers, but every time I write it, it comes out looking like fuckers. Like the L and the I always kind of morph into one letter, and I honestly don't know if that's subconscious or not. But anyway, we all have this like really fun relationship because the entire group met each other at work, which for a long time we kind of like denied that we were actually friends and always just call each other coworkers. But yeah, none of us actually are coworkers anymore, which is so weird. But yeah, anyway, the party was really, really fun, and I was able to relive my college glory days by winning at Flip Cup. So we did like a individual flip cup round where every round someone like the loser of every round gets kicked off, and I was the last man standing. Oh yeah. So like actually my sorority in college, we were known for being good at flip cup, so I feel like I made them proud this day. But yeah, it was really fun because I kind of felt like I was young again. I was like one of the older people there at the party, but thankfully I'm not the oldest. That would be Kim at 33 and Jess at 32. But yeah. Okay, but yeah, anyway, it was really, really, really fun to finally see my friends because we hadn't seen each other for a long, long time. Okay, and then Sunday was we is actually really hilarious because this time last year I hijacked my boyfriend's birthday and convinced him to get a puppy. So this is last 1 year essentially since we got our baby boy. We were planning to go to brunch, but instead I made him drive a total of 4 hours. We had to go to PetSmart to get like all the pet supplies and everything, and basically brunch was canceled. And I kept joking with him this year that I was going to do it again. Like, oh, we're gonna go to brunch, but just kidding. But anyway, no, actually, we did go to brunch. We went to like a really cute place nearby for brunch, and so he was happy that I didn't trick him this year, and we spent most of the day like cleaning and doing laundry and just being at home. At the end of the night I am just marking something private with my family, so I'm just using like a scallop that I made, this like flower silver scalloped is from Paper Design, and it's so gorgeous, really, really pretty. And then those two doodle icons are from White Deer Stationery. And here I'm just fiddling with this divider that I accidentally tore. That's from Ruby J Designs. This is actually a good time. I should have said this earlier, but I do have coupon codes to both Ruby J Designs and Lilac Luna Plans. They are below in the description bar, but here is the finished spread. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.